Are you ready to ace your back-to-school shopping game without breaking the bank? In this video, we've compiled the ultimate list of the top 10 money-saving hacks to help you navigate the back-to-school season like a pro. From savvy shopping tips to budget-friendly DIY ideas, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to discover the best ways to save money while still getting everything you need for a successful school year. Let's dive in! Number 10. Start with a list and take an inventory. Make a detailed list of what you need to avoid impulse buys. If you have multiple kids and several lists, take a few minutes to combine the lists into one so you know how many of each item you need. See what supplies you already have from previous years before buying new ones. Stick strictly to the list to avoid unnecessary purchases. Number 9. Set a budget and stick to it. Setting a budget and adhering to it is crucial when it comes to back-to-school shopping. By establishing a clear spending limit, you can avoid impulse purchases and overspending. While this hack may seem basic, its importance cannot be overstated. It lays the foundation for all other money-saving strategies on our list. Discipline in budgeting ensures that you allocate funds wisely, setting the stage for successful and cost-effective shopping. Number 8. Price compare online before going out to shop. Harness the power of technology to find the best deals on back-to-school essentials. Price comparison tools allow you to easily compare prices across various retailers, ensuring you get the most value for your money. By utilizing these tools, you can identify discounts, promotions, and special offers, helping you save on everything from textbooks to backpacks. This hack empowers you to make informed purchasing decisions, maximizing your savings while optimizing your shopping experience. I have a special recommendation for a legit price comparison tool at the end of the video. Number 7. Rent or borrow expensive items. When it comes to back-to-school shopping, certain items like textbooks, calculators, or specialized equipment can be costly. Renting or borrowing these expensive items can significantly reduce your expenses. There may be Facebook groups for your local area that have great swap or borrow options. Sites like eCampus or Chegg offer textbook rental, and you can get an additional discount with our number 1 hack coming up at the end of this video. By opting to rent or borrow, you can save money while still meeting your academic needs, making it a smart and practical money-saving strategy. Number 6. Buy generic school supplies and customize them at home. Get creative and save money by buying inexpensive generic school supplies and doing an end-of-summer project with your kids to customize them before school starts. DIY projects not only add a personal touch to your items, but also help you cut costs. From customizing notebooks with stickers or other fun craft items you already have at home to jazzing up pencil cases with craft supplies, the possibilities are endless. By customizing your own school supplies, you can tailor them to your preferences while staying within budget. This hack combines practicality with creativity, making it a fun and economical choice for back-to-school shopping. Number 5. Shop at thrift stores, consignment shops, or sites like Facebook Marketplace and Poshmark. Uncover hidden gems and incredible deals by shopping at thrift stores or consignment shops and sites for your back-to-school needs. These stores offer a treasure trove of gently used items at a fraction of their original cost. By exploring thrift and consignment stores and websites, you can find unique and budget-friendly clothing, accessories, and school supplies. This hack allows you to stretch your budget further while helping the environment by reusing items rather than buying new. Number 4. Buy your supplies in bulk from a wholesaler and split with friends. Pool your resources and save money by buying school supplies in bulk with friends at a store like at Costco, Sam's Club, or BJ's. By purchasing items together, you can take advantage of wholesale prices and discounts that are typically offered for larger quantities. This collaborative approach not only helps you secure better deals, but also fosters a sense of community and teamwork among friends. Buying in bulk with friends is a smart and efficient way to maximize savings while ensuring you have everything you need for the school year. Number 3. Take advantage of free resources like educational grants or assistance programs that offer school supplies. Look for free school supply giveaways in your community. Ask friends if they have supplies to swap and check Facebook for buy list groups or other places to exchange goods. It's a great way to build community and get the supplies that you need. Number 2, shop during sales tax holidays. Secure the top spot for savings by strategically shopping during sales tax holidays. These designated periods, typically set by states, exempt certain items from sales tax, allowing you to purchase back-to-school essentials tax-free. By timing your shopping trips during these tax holidays, you can enjoy significant savings on items like clothing, school supplies, and electronics. This hack maximizes your purchasing power and ensures that every dollar you spend goes further, making it a must-use strategy for budget-conscious shoppers. Number 1. Use cashback apps or websites. Maximize your savings by utilizing cashback apps or websites when shopping for back-to-school essentials. These platforms offer you the opportunity to earn money back on your purchases, effectively reducing the overall cost of your shopping haul. By taking advantage of cashback offers, you can recoup a percentage of your spending, turning everyday purchases into money-saving opportunities. This hack adds an extra layer of savings to your back-to-school shopping experience, making it a valuable tool for budget-conscious shoppers. My recommended cashback site is Rakuten. They not only offer cash back, but also provide a one-stop shop for several of the action items on this list. At Rakuten, you can do price comparisons and earn cash back for many of the places you might typically shop, including Target and Walmart and textbook resale sites like Chegg. Right now, if you sign up for free using the link in my bio, you get a 10% cashback boost on top of the regular rates they're offering. You can also find the link in the description of the video. In this detailed guide, we've unveiled 10 money-saving hacks for back-to-school shopping. From shopping during sales tax holidays to cashback opportunities, each strategy offers unique benefits to help you stretch your budget and make the most of your shopping experience. We encourage you to explore these hacks further and discover how they can revolutionize your back-to-school shopping routine. Remember, with the right strategies in place, you can save big and set yourself up for a successful school year. Happy shopping! Happy